Welcome to SCD Raceway. Today's event featuring Donald Trump versus Kamala Harris in the first ever slot car race. We are just moments away from the driver's car choice and their track positions. And Donald Trump picks the Goodwood 47. Beautiful little pony with a V8 engine and 4-barrel carburetor. This baby looks good. Trump didn't waste any time picking this little pony. He loves that 47. Kamala's pick, a McLaren 12C GT3. Excellent pick. This car will have superior handling. She thinks this car will be a joyful ride. In the red lane, we have Donald Trump, and in the green lane, Kamala Harris. There seems to be a commotion trackside. Trump is talking to reporters just moments away from the start of this race, while Kamala stays hunkered down in her McLaren. Both drivers will now take a celebratory lap for the fans here at SCD Raceway. Harris will enter the downhill helix and through the tunnel straight for the first time, and back up the helix and stop at the pit entrance. Trump takes off and is really winding up that pony. I hope Trump knows it's a 4-speed. Trump is telling reporters his car sounds better than her car. I don't think he realizes he has to shift. I hope he figures this out. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. But first, the Coors Light girls and the Coors Light Tram will carry our nation's colors for the national anthem. Please remove your caps and place your right hand over your heart. Crank it up, fellas.